Good morning. This is Graham Bibby on the 22nd of May 2015. I was going to say June for a moment. Moving the year along too quickly. Just want to give you an update on the week. This is relating to the Insiders Club mainly for undervalued superior earning stocks. It's quite a good week overall. Started off good anyway. Here's the Russell 2000. That's the 2000 stocks, more of the mid cap type stock index. At the end of April, we were breaking down here, which looked really negative. But you can see in May, we've really improved. And the last 5 trading days, we had this pop, and then we were going sideways for the most of this week. So overall, market's still holding in there. This is the Dow Jones 30. So this is US indices where we got the most undervalued superior earning stocks. Not a huge amount of movement. So the market's up near its highs. Pity it's not breaking through. Again, 4 trading days that we've had this week, and there'll be another one tonight. So it's pity we're not breaking substantially above this level. But for now, I'm quite happy with what's going on in the Insiders Club. And I do watch all sorts of things. This is, for example, this is the natural gas chart. I put this up. It won't be in the Insiders Club undervalued, but this will be in my new service, which is Special Opportunities, where we're looking at seriously beaten up areas. And you can see here what happened to this ETF. It was 600. It's now 33.47. And as you can see, this decline, which is quite clear, if it's not clear enough, I'll make it clear enough for you, hopefully, because these trend lines really just show us the speed and level of supply versus decline. So that's the downtrend, and you can see it's no longer below this red line. It's actually looking bottoming out formation. That normally indicates that's somewhere around the bottom of the market. But anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the Insiders Club. And some of our stocks had a pretty good move last night. This is NXP Semiconductors up 3.8%. Valiant Pharmaceuticals up 2.1%. Synaptics, which I've had on and off several times, is 1.92%, and Horizon Pharmaceuticals 1.53%. And even Apple, which was it's been going sideways really since February, is on a bit of an upward move. And if we could break above the say 135 level, we'd be on another move like this. So overall, very pleased with our stocks. Gilead Life Science, I've shown you many times. I showed you it broke out of this downward channel here. I confirmed to you that this was a support. It didn't go anywhere for a little while. It came back, kept testing the 100 level. And in May, it's gone from 100 to 111.2. That's 11%. That just shows you, how effective correct knowledge of how charts can work with an underlying fundamental analysis. So now this is firmly in an uptrend, and there's actually a new buy. Now, some of these stocks some people may not have because it depends when you came in the service. But I can tell you this is why I'm so on balance bullish about the service. I've got the most undervalued, keep repeating it, superior earning stocks. And last night I had no less than 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 new buy signals. Now, new buy signals might be existing stocks like Gilead Life Science. This correction and this pullback up here, this would be a new buy. So if a new client came along now, they would be buying this stock because the bottom will be where that arrow is there. So it's looking quite good. The Insiders Club's looking quite good, and our Insiders Club FOS is looking very good. And China is looking very strong in that region. Not here to talk about that today. Maybe there'll be a video about that on Monday or Tuesday. But Graham Bibby here on the 22nd of May 2015, saying some of our stocks are coming to life, which is very, very encouraging. The world index is also upward trend, so that's giving us extra support to what I see happening in these undervalued superior stocks. Only reason it's in the US, again, I repeat, is because that's where I can find the most stocks. But all our stocks, even Lithium Motors, you see here, it's come up towards the high of the year. Um, so anybody not out there, not joined, please join. I'm looking at doing a series of webinars coming up, so look out for that, where I'll be explaining more about how markets really work, where they have these uptrends. Then we get corrections, which can be severe, and in this case that's a 30% correction, and then it's gone from below 65 to 106, which is over 50%. So markets don't move in a straight line, and if you follow my methodology, it's all about limiting the downside. It's not erasing it, and then when the market's running, we will outperform. So the system normally has choppy performance. It's up a bit, it's down a bit, it might be down a bit more for a short period of time. And then boom, we have an upward move where stocks do this, and then we lock in this, and then choppy, nothing happening, and then boom, we're in another trend. It's been a bit choppy for a good part of this year. The beginning part of the year was very good, been choppy, and I think we're getting near to the next up leg. So you've got to be in it to win it. If you've got money, put it to work. If you're already heavily committed to the Insiders Club, I suggest you put money in the Insiders Club FOS, because it goes through 46 different countries. It goes through 46 markets, and I see some very interesting things happening there. And that service is looking poised to do very well. So this is Graham Bibby saying the weekend's coming. I hope you have a really good one. This is a short video this week, and look forward to up and coming webinars where you'll see me in person talking to you of how to really trade the stock market and how the big boys really make the profits. Have a great time. Bye bye.